My name is Adam Barnett. I'm a student in the School of Welsh, and I'm doing an MA in Welsh and Celtic Studies. I chose Cardiff University School of Welsh because I wanted to learn Welsh. I wanted to learn about Wales, and it seemed like the best place to do that. Obviously, there are other schools around Wales, but none of them are in a city as metropolitan, as up and coming as Cardiff. There's just so much going on here, so much to do and see beyond simply school, and I wanted the full experience. It's very malleable. It's very changeable. I was able to pick a subject that I was interested in the realm of Welsh and Celtic studies, of course, and I found a tutor in the department who had similar interests. We were put together, and through that, I was able to learn a great deal about something that I had been interested in for a long time. Getting to study what I want to study, obviously still within the bounds of the program, but getting to study what I want to study, write about what I want to write about, and having that sort of judged and critiqued by people who are also interested in the same subject. It's been fantastic.